The rubber washer secures the hinge pins that allow various components of your nail gun to pivot. The washer can harden and crack over time. When the washer cracks, the hinge pin can come loose and be lost. Replacing the rubber washer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the magazine. With the magazine removed, now I can remove the nose piece cover. I'll remove the rubber washer from the step pin. Now I'll install the new rubber washer. I'll place the washer over the end of the pin and press it into place. Now I'll reinstall the nose piece cover and finish up by reinstalling the magazine. And that's how easy it is to replace the rubber washers on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.